Hero Cosmetics Emergency Stress Kit that retails at $20. We are going to start with the Lightening Wand here. Now let's go to the next product in this gift kit, which is the Micropoint for Dark Spot. Nothing. Literally. This product doesn't have anything, so we will find out whether these gift kits maybe are a good bang for the buck and you could invest in them yourself while you have the opportunity. Hello and welcome, my name is SZABO, a licensed skincare professional. Welcome to the Christmas edition of Trash or Catch, where I will be reviewing gift sets for Christmas, of course skincare related, and we shall see whether they are worth your money. Short disclaimer, I never recommend you give anybody skincare as a present. To be honest, it's just too personal and you probably wouldn't be able to give them the best unless you are a professional yourself. So we will find out whether these gift kits maybe are a good bang for the buck and you could invest in them yourself while you have the opportunity. The first one is going to be Hero Cosmetics Emergency Stress Kit that retails at $20. To be honest, I didn't really get whether the products inside are full size or not. If they are full size, then the value is $45.97. That's huge difference. I suppose they are not really full size, but even so, looks like a good value. Let's check whether it is trash or catch. In these episodes, we are going to be reviewing not one product, but multiple products. So I'm not going to be stopping at every single ingredient. I will, though, be highlighting them, as always, in round one, the good. So we are going to start with the Lightening Wand here. As you can see, I have highlighted a lot as good ingredients here. And I will just want to really underline a couple of them. Like for instance, the glycolic acid. For something that is a spot treatment, I always recommend glycolic acid, provided your skin can tolerate it. It's really good to help the other ingredients penetrate deep into the skin, really sorting the issue out. Then, an incredible addition that I love, this would be the Tranexamic Acid. Now, this is incredible here. You see, basically, this is medicine that is used to prevent blood clots. And it is very good for post-acne, especially if you have popped that pimple. You know that popping a pimple is a bad idea, and especially because blood can coagulate and linger in there, leaving a dark spot. Now, what the acid is going to do is it's going to dissolve the blood so that you lose the appearance of dark spot much faster. This is a very good idea. Next, we have licorice root extract that you know I love for any kind of oily skincare. Then we have holy basil extract to reduce itchiness, which is very important because probably at the time of healing it will itch. And if you dare to scratch it, you may bring bacteria in. Of course, you most probably are going to damage the skin, and the healing process is going to take much longer. So if we reduce the itchiness, we absolutely fight the problem very well. Then we have the Lactobacillus Ferment. Amazing, very good, little bit probiotics to stimulate good bacterial growth on the area. Then there is a little bit of a mild but still UV protection for those of you who don't use SPF. I hope that you use sunscreen daily, especially if you have acne. And then we also have neem flower extract, which is anti-inflammatory, typically even used in toothpaste for the inflamed bleeding gums. Very good. So far, for the first round, it's a solid 10 out of 10, but let's right away go to the bad. As you can see, I haven't highlighted too much. However, these are a little bit worrying. Like for instance, the tromethamine is actually a very questionable ingredient, to say the least. Basically, it can on your skin turn into nitrosamine, and that is a cancerogenic ingredient. Now, I have to say, the amount of this product that you're going to put on your skin is going to be pretty small. So that you're going to put it on a very, very small area and for a limited amount of time until the spot disappears. Therefore, I would say we can live with that, probably. Next, we have the Buta 3. Again, if it would be something that would go for the entire face, I wouldn't like this. It's not very good for the hydrolipid barrier. But in here, right now, as we are treating the spot, we can live with that. So first product, altogether, I would say for the second round, we could give maybe 7 out of 10, and altogether that would be 17 out of 20. Great. Now, let's go to the next product in this gift kit, which is the Micropoint for dark spots, and find what's good in there. Now, as you can see, I have highlighted again a lot of stuff, and I would just like to underline a couple. So hyaluronic acid and trehalose. Amazing, great, because we do want to keep the area under patch hydrated. That's very important. Then we have again tranexamic acid. Again, as said before, amazing for blood clots or any blood coagulation under the skin. We have ascorbic acid. That's where they went kind of cheap, to be honest. It's not the best of vitamin C's out there. To be honest, it's one of the weakest. But let's just skip it as it doesn't exist. Glycolic acid, again, enough said, and vitamin B3 we have as well, which is okay. It's going to a little bit increase the blood flow and help the issue to be solved out faster. Altogether, this is great, 10 out of 10, and let's see what's bad in it. As you can see, nothing, literally. This product doesn't have anything, so it's right away 20 out of 20. Amazing product as far as the ingredients are concerned. Great, love it. And then let's go to the third and last product in this gift, which is Rescue Balm, and find out what's good in it. So, as you can see here, in comparison to how many active ingredients are inside, there are not too many that I specifically like. Still, let's go through what we have here. The copper tripeptide 1 is very good because it basically lessens the risk of inflammation and especially the risk of infection developing in the wound. For that reason, that's a very good ingredient. Then we have Tocopherol Vitamin E. It's going to a little bit increase blood flow. It's antioxidant, very good for this. Zinc oxide is incredible, great. I love zinc oxide paste in combination with some sulfur that you could use on your spots. Amazing, and my clients love it as well. And then we have magnesium sulfate, which also, just like zinc oxide, aids by healing. These are good, but to be honest, not the greatest I have ever seen. I'm going to give it maybe, again, let's just say 7 out of 10 for round 1. And let's have a look in round 2. What's the bad in it? So here, as you can see, it's a little bit more than in previous products. We have definitely a couple of types of silicone in here. We have the aluminum starch, which is an emulsifier, but not the best one for the skin. So I would just say, you know, this formula is definitely going to stay on your skin. It's not going to be completely absorbed by your skin. And for that reason, I don't really like it too much. I prefer such treatments to be fully absorbed by the skin so that A, nobody sees you are treating a pimple right now. B, all the active ingredients need to be inside to do something for the skin. So for this, really not my favorite at all. Let's just give it 3 out of 10, and altogether it's 10 out of 20. Not really a good product. So I would actually much more recommend that you go to pharmacy and order yourself a zinc oxide and sulfur combination paste. They can make those for you much cheaper, believe me, and much more effective and much better for the skin as well. All in all, let's talk about this gift set altogether. If the products are full-sized inside it, I think the Lightening Wand and the patches already kind of actually give you the value. Really, for $20, I find that the first 2 products are solid and good. Third one, not so much. So you decide whether you would like to invest for only the first 2 products or rather to just purchase first 2 products separately. That is it for today. Like it if you have liked it, dislike it if you have disliked it. Also, don't forget to leave the comment down below what other products should I review next, and Merry upcoming Christmas to everybody. Bye!